after Congress chief Sonia Gandhi alleged a deliberate attempt to divide the people of India and said there has been an increase in incidents of communal violence in the country since the current BJP government came to power. Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu hit back at Mrs. Gandhi, saying that Congress and communalism always go hand in hand. Lashing out at the Congress party and its decade-long rule, Naidu alleged the party of playing divisive politics, trying to divide the people and rule the country.
The Congress and communalism go hand in hand. We are all aware that more than 50 years it is a Congress party which has ruled and ruined the country. It is a Congress which had a divisive agenda on the basis of caste, creed, sex, religion and region. They try to divide and then try to use minorities as vote banks, and they always want division in the society so that they can derive political benefit. That has been the game plan of the Congress party, which has paid dividends for some time. But at the end of the day, people have realized and they have given a fitting lesson to the Congress party in the last election. This sort of a propaganda is not going to help them. We are not polarizing. They are trying to polarize the people. It has boomeranged on them. It will boomerang once again. I want to tell them, when we use the word Hindu, it is not a narrow religious concept. It's a broader cultural identity. It's a Jeevana Paddhati. It's a way of life. Hindu newspaper, is it communal? Hindustan Times newspaper, is it communal? Hindustan Akhbar Hindi mein, is it communal? HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, is it communal? HCL, Hindustan Cable Limited, is it communal? HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools, watch company, is it communal because the Hindu word is there? This is an absurd argument. They are trying to unnecessarily confuse people, but people, I am sure, they will not be misled by this campaign, and this campaign will boomerang on the Congress party. It's a fact that Pakistan has been aiding, abetting, funding, training terrorists over the years. That is a universally known fact. How can anybody deny that? Pakistan, if at all it has got sincerity, it must dismantle the terrorist training camps on the Pakistani soil, as was promised by General Musharraf during Agra summit. But they are not doing it. Pakistan is not walking the talk. That is the need of the hour. Let them understand that India wants to have friendly relationship with all the neighbors, including Pakistan. But at the same time, terror and friendship cannot go together. They should understand it.
Powered by NNIS.